Learn Hindi health vocabulary, health to,
स्वास्थ्य,
and more. Welcome to the health adventure. Hey, you are about to learn useful Hindi with a very dramatic health mission. Do not worry, the only side effect is smarter vocabulary. Picture this. You walk into a very strange wellness center. At the front desk, a giant smiling apple waves and says, "Welcome to,"
स्वास्थ्य,
which means health. In the cafeteria, a carrot wearing glasses announces, "I teach
पोषण,
nutrition and yes, I have a diploma." In the gym, a dancing treadmill shouts, "Time for
गति,
movement. Please try not to fall off while learning." Upstairs, an overworked clock mutters, "Too much
तनाव,
stress is bad for you." Then a pillow floats by like a sleepy cloud and whispers, "You need
नींद,
sleep." In the clinic room, a sneezing cartoon germ introduces itself as
बीमारी,
illness. Luckily, a superhero doctor bursts in yelling, "Bring the
इलाज,
treatment." And in the office, a lawyer with 5 clipboards says, "For safety, we also have a
प्रावधान,
provision or clause." Congratulations! You have just entered the only building where a pillow, a carrot, and a lawyer all work the same shift. Your words for today. Let's make the key words easy and clear. Listen once, then say them back with confidence, even if your pillow judges your pronunciation. Health equals
स्वास्थ्य,
nutrition equals
पोषण,
movement equals
गति,
stress equals
तनाव,
sleep equals
नींद,
illness equals
बीमारी,
treatment equals
इलाज,
provision equals
प्रावधान.
a very healthy disaster. Now you will hear a funny story that ties the words together. If you can picture the chaos, you will remember the vocabulary better. One morning, Raj decided to improve his
स्वास्थ्य,
He said, "Today I choose health, fresh air, and absolutely no fried mystery snacks." A noble plan. For breakfast, he focused on
पोषण,
He made a bowl of fruit, yogurt, and nuts. Then he added 3 biscuits, 2 sweets, and something bright orange from the back of the fridge that should probably have its own passport. So, the nutrition started well and ended with confusion. After breakfast, he promised more.
गति,
More movement. He stretched, jogged, and attempted yoga. During one heroic pose, he looked less like a peaceful human and more like a folding chair in emotional pain. By noon, work messages arrived. His phone beeped, his laptop blinked, and his boss wrote, "Quick question," which of course means 17 questions. Raj felt
तनाव,
stress. He drank water, breathed deeply, and reminded himself, deep breathing reduces
तनाव,
That night, he wanted
नींद,
good sleep. But instead of sleeping, he watched videos called, "Just One More Tip for Better Sleep," until 2 in the morning. Brilliant. The next day, with too little,
नींद,
too much stress, and very questionable leftovers, Raj felt weak. He worried he had a small
बीमारी,
an illness. He visited a doctor, who said, "Relax. You need rest, water, and proper
इलाज,
only if symptoms continue." Then the clinic receptionist added, "For no obvious reason, also, our new safety
प्रावधान,
says nobody may microwave fish in the waiting room." Raj nodded. He learned that health vocabulary is useful, and clinic rules can be strangely specific. Mini dialogues you can use. Here are short dialogues you can copy in real life. Or in unreal life, if a carrot professor starts asking questions. A. What matters most? B.
स्वास्थ्य,
Matters most. A. What does healthy food give us? B.
पोषण,
A. Why is dance beautiful? B. Because of.
गति,
A. How do you feel before the exam? B. I feel
तनाव,
A. I am so tired. B. You need.
नींद,
A. Why are you absent? B. Because of.
बीमारी,
A. What does he need now? B. He needs.
इलाज,
A. Is there a rule for emergencies? B. Yes, there is a.
प्रावधान,
Quick memory tricks. Let's make the words stick in your brain. Nicely, of course. We are learning vocabulary, not starting a brain wrestling league. 4.
स्वास्थ्य,
Imagine a glowing green apple stamped with the word for health. 4.
पोषण,
Imagine a perfect colorful plate and a carrot professor shouting, respect nutrition. 4.
गति,
Picture a spinning bicycle wheel and a dancer moving across the floor. 4.
तनाव,
Imagine a red stress ball and a mountain of emails falling from the sky. 4.
नींद,
Think of a giant pillow floating over the city like a sleepy moon. 4.
बीमारी,
Picture a gray cloud above a bed and a cartoon germ wearing sunglasses. 4.
इलाज,
Imagine a doctor hero holding medicine and opening a bridge from pain to comfort. 4.
प्रावधान,
See a judge pointing to a glowing line in a contract and saying, read the provision. Say it in sentences. Now you will hear the words inside useful sentences. This is where vocabulary stops being decoration and starts doing actual work. Health is important. In Hindi,
स्वास्थ्य महत्वपूर्ण है,
better nutrition gives you more energy. In Hindi,
बेहतर पोषण आपको अधिक ऊर्जा देता है,
movement is important in dance. In Hindi,
नृत्य में गति महत्वपूर्ण है,
deep breathing reduces stress. In Hindi,
गहरी सांस लेना तनाव कम करता है,
good sleep helps your body recover. In Hindi,
अच्छी नींद शरीर को ठीक होने में मदद करती है,
she is recovering from an illness. In Hindi,
वो एक बीमारी से ठीक हो रही है,
the doctor started the treatment today. In Hindi,
डॉक्टर ने आज इलाज शुरू किया,
we added a provision for emergencies. In Hindi,
हमने आपातकाल के लिए एक प्रावधान जोड़ा,
funny quiz time. Let's see what you remember. No panic. This quiz gives emotional support and imaginary points. What is the Hindi word for health? Answer.
स्वास्थ्य,
What is the Hindi word for nutrition? Answer.
पोषण,
What is the Hindi word for movement? Answer.
गति,
What is the Hindi word for stress? Answer.
तनाव,
What is the Hindi word for sleep? Answer.
नींद,
What is the Hindi word for illness? Answer.
बीमारी,
What is the Hindi word for treatment? Answer.
इलाज,
What is the Hindi word for provision? Answer.
प्रावधान,
Your final challenge. Time for one last challenge. You are now the star of the wellness center, so use the words like you own the place. Say this in Hindi, health.
स्वास्थ्य,
Say this in Hindi, nutrition.
पोषण,
Say this in Hindi, movement.
गति,
Say this in Hindi, stress.
तनाव,
Say this in Hindi, sleep.
नींद,
Say this in Hindi, illness.
बीमारी,
Say this in Hindi, treatment.
इलाज,
Say this in Hindi, provision.
प्रावधान,
Now say the full chain.
स्वास्थ्य, पोषण, गति, तनाव, नींद, बीमारी, इलाज, प्रावधान.
Thanks and keep practicing. Great job today. You learned real Hindi vocabulary, survived the carrot professor, and that is honestly impressive. Thank you for listening and practicing with me. Keep repeating.
स्वास्थ्य, पोषण, गति, तनाव, नींद, बीमारी, इलाज,
And
प्रावधान.
out loud. Use them in small sentences, revisit the story, and practice a little every day. You are doing great, and with regular practice, your Hindi will get stronger and stronger.